Girl, hi. Do you think about your future?
Yes, I think about it often.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a designer.
Oh, nice. That sounds creative.
Why do you like designing?
I enjoy making new things.
That is a great reason.
Yes, it makes me very happy.
What is your future dream?
I want to be a teacher.
That is a beautiful dream.
Yes, I love helping people.
Teachers help many students grow.
Do you want to study abroad?
Maybe, if I get a chance.
Good. New places teach a lot.
Yes, travel gives new ideas.
Do you want to travel too?
Yes, I want to visit Japan.
Oh, Japan is very beautiful.
Yes, I love their culture.
Same. I love their food.
Do you have any big goals?
Yes, I want to learn coding.
Good. Coding is very useful.
Yes, it helps in many jobs.
Okay, I will study now.
All right, I will study too.
Great. Let's work on dreams.
Yes, step by step always.
Bye. Talk to you later.
Bye. Take care.